Okay, there's really no way of making a router fence sexy. I tried. It's just not possible. But I have here my DeWalt DW618 router, and I really like it. It's grown on me. I've been using it for a while. It's not a bad little router. But I was doing some projects, and one of the things I realized I could benefit from was a good router fence. So I went ahead and bought this DeWalt router fence that goes with this router. Why don't we open it up, check it out, see how it works. The assembly on this is pretty easy. The two different rails are for using this fence on multiple models of routers. The model router I have uses the larger diameter rails. The guide just clamps in place with the supplied hardware. The first try I did a climb cut by mistake. The router gets away from me a little bit. On my next try, I gave a conventional cut a try. Not perfect. Like most tools, I just need to give it a little more practice. After a test fit, I gave the micro adjuster a try, just to widen the dado a little bit. Entering and exiting is where I seem to have the most problems. Trying a stop data. Taking less material out seems to help too. I want to try dust collection while making a rabbet along the edge of the board. It didn't get all the dust, but got most of it. Okay, I like it. It's good. For what I spent for it, I think it's a good addition to the router. I can see myself using it on maybe some stop dados or some loose tenon joinery. If I'm doing a through dado, I still think the dado stack wins. I think I have better results for that. I do need more practice with it, maybe not taking such big bites and using maybe like an up spiral bit instead of a straight bit. I'll get more consistent results, but I think I just need to practice with it too. So I like it. Thanks for coming to my shop. See you next time.